I'm surprised you're taking that thing on here.
Me too.
Hey, why can't we stay on this trail? This is a nice trail.
I think we probably could have gone up there, yeah. Probably should have. Coulda, shoulda, woulda.
Holy crap!
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, man.
I'm chasing a chipmunk. Yeah, this is rough.
It is.
I think this will be like a... I did it once and then I'm not going to do it anymore. Oh yeah, this is the part. I'm not taking that way. I'm taking this. I conked my skid plate on a rock over there before. Woo! Oh, yeah.
I'm not going down there either.
Oh man. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man.
Oh, don't tell me we're going up there.
Oh, yikes. Whoops, sorry. I don't know what's happening. Oh my gosh. Yikes.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Now what are we on, the ATV trail? Seems like it.
Ooh, this looks nice.
Yeah. Yeah, there's plenty of this if we need a break later. Or sooner. I have no idea what we're supposed to do here.
Go over the rock. Whoa! Yeah, well, I could do that. Slowly.
It looks like we're supposed to go that way, but boy, I don't know about that.
On that rock?
I think so, yeah.
What the? Woo. What does it say right there? It says something.
Looks like Tommy or something, I don't know.
Like an arrow telling you to go that direction is what it is.
Yeah, I think maybe we'll skip that one.
I don't want to climb a rock today. It hurt like you fell on your knee.
Yeah, it would.
I gotta save my knees for skiing.
So I think there's another rock. It's just endless rocks. I don't know where you're supposed to go.
I don't think it really matters. Are you staying up there?
I don't know. It looks like a pretty big drop off.
Yeah, it looks like a lot of people going this way.
Oh. Whoops. How bad is it?
Oh no, there's a nice ramp really.
Is there? Okay.
I would certainly drive up it right now.
Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna get my tire up here now though.
You want me to come up there?
I don't know. Well.
Yeehaw! What's your problem? Oh, to get up on this rock?
Yeah. This is why you don't take a Tenere on the single track.
Where are you going?
Just back to try again.
Are you pushing backwards or trying? I mean, not to let
I'm
it
just
go?
controlling it.
Oh. You can skip it. It ain't going to be that much fun.
No. Well, I suppose with this year too, that's not gonna probably go very well, is it? Okay, yeah, you talked me into it. Where's that rock? There it is.
Woo! Oh, you're out.
I am. Oh no, this is gonna get muddy.
You got through that. Holy man. Whoa!
Oh my gosh. That was a bad place to slow down. Well, we're somewhere. Looks like a trail. Yeah, honestly, I think what's the worst right now really is my clutch hand.
Tired?
Yeah. This guy's coming down the up. I don't know where we're supposed to go otherwise.
I think that's where. I think that's where we're supposed to go, where the arrow is.
So where to then? That way, I guess.
Whoa!
I am surprised, just as surprised as you are that worked. Yeah, these guys are riding their ATVs on the OHM trail. Oh! This is a bad place to go.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You want help?
Oh, no, I think I'll be alright. I wish these guys would move.
He's telling you to go.
Yeah.
Way to go, dude.
And where to now?
I'm gonna wimp out on this thing totally.
Yeah, it hasn't been getting any easier, that's for sure.
No. I was kind of hoping too it was gonna pan out a little bit.
Yeah. Alright.
What?
Yeah, that's what I said too.
Well, they do pack a lot into a little space.
Yeah, they sure do.
Go up this hill?
Yeah, I really don't know.
I think we're going back to where we were. We cut down over there before.
Yeah, it kind of seems like it.
We'd have to cut through there to get back to the trail, huh?
I don't know, I guess. Actually, you know what though? Where do they go? Maybe we should go that way. I think maybe we should go back the way we were. I mean, not the way we were, but this direction, I think.
Uh-oh.
What?
Traffic jam.
Yeah. We gonna be able to get through?
Oh, yeah. Hey, guys. Weren't we just here, Ben?
Oh, so this is the only way to go? Oh my god. I don't know, I guess we'll...
Oh, no, this is different.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, because we cut off onto the ATV, or onto the OHM, I mean.
Should I get going?
On the OHM part? No, I don't think so. I think maybe I should... Oh, no, I mean on the trail. Yeah, you can keep going on the trail.
What do you think I said?
I thought there was more OHM trail that you were gonna... Or I thought more single track, I mean, sorry. Yeah, I don't think my hands can take it anymore. I think the bike handles it really pretty well. The suspension feels a bit soft in a few spots, but I think all in all, that was really pretty impressive on the bike's end. I think the only reason it was impressive for me is because I just rode the 50-50 line of whether I was going to make it or not, and luckily I did. But yeah, I think we're going to call it quits for that. I don't think I need any more OHM trail. I think that was more than enough to say I rode some trails.
You actually did really awesome. I was really impressed.
Well, thank you. Yeah,
I was like, oh my god.
I said that a lot too.
I'm loosening up to the point where now I'm having fun again, but at the same time, I was like, yeah, it's hard trails to go through. They're not easy.
No,
I can't imagine.
No, they're tight and they're rough. And yeah, I think, like I said, the biggest problem is really just my hands are so tired from working the brake and the clutch that it's like hard to hang on to the bars anymore, and it's a lot going on too.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, if it wasn't so hot, I think that might help too. My head's starting to hurt, and I'm sweating now. So yeah, I think we're gonna call that the Tenere single track video, and I think maybe we'll cap it there. And Jerry and I are just gonna cruise some trails and.
Can we go down here?
Have some fun. We can, but I don't want to.
Oh, really?
It's pretty rough. Yeah, we can check it out. Let's go back to the truck and drop our coats off. I need a drink. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Stay safe. Stay swanky. Don't ride your Tenere on single track trails.
Keep going on this trail, right?
Yeah, we just keep going on the main part here.
Woo-hoo-hoo!